Ah, hello, my internet friend. You're joining me for tea today. Thanks so much for being here. As you can see, 2020, we've lived through 2020 and we can put our calendars, diaries away for 2020 and open up the new calendar of 2021. I hope that this new year holds the promise and the hope for you for a new season, for a new adventure. And along with that excitement that the new year brings, there's something else that I love to celebrate. And as I'm opening up my diary, you can see on the 8th of January, I am going to celebrate this YouTube channel's second year of existence. So I would love to do what I did last year because the channel is still a baby and will be able to do this. If you're a subscriber and you have been watching my videos, it would be wonderful for me if I can send you a thank you letter. So I want you to send your postal address to me to this email address that I'm placing on the screen. Send your email address before the 6th of January 2021. We're all going to have to get used to saying 2021 now. And then I would love to send you a letter. It'll come by post, so you'll have to be patient. It's my postal service, our postal service takes a little while, so be patient, but yes, it would be wonderful for me to connect and chat and to share my gratitude and my thanks with you for being with me on this journey. I wish you all the best for 2021. Bye!